Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to play videos in full screen mode in Google Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once it's launched, navigate to the website where your video is located. This could be any video streaming platform, but for this example, we'll use YouTube, which is one of the most common places people watch videos online. Once you're on the YouTube homepage or whichever video platform you're using, go ahead and click on the video you want to watch. This will open the video player and start playing your selected content. The video will initially appear in its default size within the browser window, but we're about to change that to get a much more immersive viewing experience. Now, take a look at the bottom right corner of the video player. You'll notice several control icons there, including options for quality settings, captions, and importantly, a full screen icon. This full screen icon typically looks like a small rectangle with arrows pointing outward from each corner, symbolizing expansion. Click on this icon and your video will immediately expand to fill your entire screen, giving you an uninterrupted, theater-like viewing experience without any browser toolbars or distractions. Alternatively, if you prefer using keyboard shortcuts for faster navigation, there's an even quicker method. Simply press the F key on your keyboard while the video is playing. This keyboard shortcut instantly toggles full screen mode on and off, making it incredibly convenient if you frequently switch between full screen and normal viewing. It's particularly useful when you're browsing through multiple videos and want to quickly maximize your viewing area without reaching for your mouse. And that's it. You've successfully learned two different methods to play videos in full screen mode in Chrome, giving you complete control over your viewing experience based on your preference for mouse or keyboard controls. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.